Hello everyone and welcome to a Windows Minute, showing you Windows tips and tricks in only a few minutes. Today we'll boot the computer into safe mode. Open up the Windows Start menu and hover over the power options. Before clicking the restart button, hold in the Shift key. Once the computer starts to shut down and the screen goes black, you can let go of the Shift key. When the options menu appear, click on the troubleshoot option, then click on advanced options, and select startup settings, and then click the restart button. When the startup settings appear, select either option 4, 5, or 6 depending on your use case. In this video, I used option 4. Once you log in and the computer loads, you're successfully in safe mode. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, consider dropping a like.